Today is our Christmas in July takeover. I'm gonna show you how to make holiday sliders. I'm Ali Carr and this is Serve It. Yes, we're using our leftover holiday ingredients, but giving it a little bit of a mix up into a delicious slider. It's all topped with this amazing tangy buttery sauce. Wow! The prep on this could not be easier. So we're gonna use 10 tablespoons of butter. We've got a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a fourth a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You could also use onion powder if you'd like, a tablespoon of your favorite mustard, and 3 packed teaspoons of brown sugar. We have our leftover cranberry sauce, your ham, we've got Swiss cheese and mozzarella cheese, Hawaiian rolls, poppy seeds. Let's make some sliders. I'm gonna put a little oil on my pan. I'm gonna take a 12 pack of our sweet Hawaiian rolls, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these lengthwise. We're gonna kind of assemble this like one big sandwich, but it'll all break apart into little sliders. Okay, so we've got our buns. I'm gonna go ahead and take the top off and layer on our cranberry sauce. Store-bought, homemade, whatever you have for the holiday. Next up, you wanna layer on your ham. Now, I like to get about 2 layers. So I layer and have them kind of stagger, right? We want these to be good, meaty sliders. Then let's layer on our cheese. So we're gonna do Swiss, but we're gonna add in a little mozzarella. Top it off with your rolls. Now let's get that sauce going. I'm gonna go ahead and melt up these 10 tablespoons of butter. Give that a stir. When we smother these in a tangy, buttery sauce, it's legendary. So a little teaspoon of Worcestershire. I'm not measuring. Yeah, how about that? Here's gonna be our mustard and brown sugar. Let's do our salt and garlic. So we're gonna mix all that together. Make sure everything's lined up. Boom. All right, we're gonna drizzle our buttery sauce every which way. It's a glorious mess. Then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle our top layer with some poppy seeds. We're gonna cover with foil. I like to just loosely cover it, right? We're really just looking to protect the top layer from getting overcooked. All right, our holiday sliders are gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna remove the foil, cook them for 5 more minutes. Let's go. Okay, so my sliders have been in the oven for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees with the foil on. Let's go ahead and pop the foil off and see our progress. Oh, look at all that melty cheese. Okay, we're gonna give them 5 more minutes to get nice and golden brown. Okay, it looks like our rolls are ready. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Ooh. Okay, so what's nice about this, you're just gonna follow the rolls on top to kind of cut each individual one. Look at this. Okay, it couldn't be easier to assemble, to bake these, and then to devour them. The bread on top is perfectly toasted. You have the tang of the cranberry, the sweet ham, the delicious cheese, and then topped with that buttery, tangy sauce that you made. Thanks for watching this episode of Serve It. I can't wait to hear how you like the holiday sliders. Enjoy.